Welcome to On the Road Cam, your ultimate destination for heart-pounding police chases, intense highway pursuits, and real-life action caught on camera. From high-speed getaways to precision stops, we bring you the most thrilling moments on the road. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and join us for the ride.
The patrol force sprang into action as the motorcycle sped past, exceeding the speed limit. The rider, reckless and undeterred by the risks, turned the road ahead into a breathless chase. Trapped with no way out, the criminal's reckless attempts became futile. With no escape left, he was arrested, bringing the intense pursuit to an inevitable end. It's hard to believe someone would risk so much. No helmet, no license plate, yet still diving into an intense chase, defying all dangers and betting their life on the line.
Para aí! Você me chutar. Para, caralho! Para, tio! Tá! Vamos, fião! Vamos, caralho! Toca essa porra aí! Vai, caralho! Toca essa porra aí! Vai, caralho! Toca essa porra aí! Toca, caralho! Você vai se fuder, mano! Bora, filhão! vai cair, filhão. Você vai cair, filhão. Você vai cair, filhão. Fecha ele, Bi.
And you know what? No reckless driver is fast enough to escape the persistence of the police. Once you're in their sights, there's only one way out. Face the consequences. Now all he has left is humiliation. Lost his shoes, his helmet, his bike, and even the last shred of his dignity.
Hey guys, hang tight for me in the car real quick. Y'all have a seat in the car real quick, man. Sit down. Y'all sit in the car. Stay in the car. Auto crew 4 or 5 black males are going north on Highway 9.
Police pursued the black car after receiving a report about the driver's suspicious behavior. Throwing a bag near a parking lot. Suspected to be linked to recent thefts.
7530 radio on south. Signal 12 with that 78 of that black Charger, 4 to 5 males occupied. I believe it's going to be an entering auto crew just based on 39. Northbound Highway 9 coming up at Lake Center Parkway. Run that tag that I gave you. It's out of Arizona.
A pit maneuver on Buford Dam Road ended the chase. Chicago suspects with violent records and fake IDs were caught.
Quick, okay? We don't play around up here when it comes to running, man, okay?
D36 on below 1028 is going to be 676 William Young John. 676 William Young John. Go ahead and call me 1037. About 30 northbound, approaching the county line.
The heart-pounding chase erupted as the police closed in on the white pickup speeding at 146 miles per hour. The suspect recklessly swerved and accelerated, but the police's tightening net made sure he had no way out.
Taking the exit 12, say in exit 12, it's the west end exit. He's getting back on the interstate northbound.
The pickup truck lost control on a sharp turn, crashing into the trees and catching fire. Firefighters arrived at the scene and the suspect was taken to the hospital before being transferred directly to jail, bringing the fiery chase to a close.